Hey everyone, okay, so I wanted to make this video today mainly because there still is a bit of confusion over something untretinoin related, but also because I'm just not feeling well. I've got this incredible pain here in my shoulder and running down the side, so I need to go and deal with this. I've just been feeling really run down the last week, so not feeling good at all. So I had a comment on my recent video about the brush launch of the synthetic, the white gold. And I thought had been clear on it, but what tends to happen is I can skip little bits and pieces. So if you hadn't watched the original video, it was easy to miss and there is a lot of confusion. And the comment was basically saying, well, if artisan brushes aren't worth it, why are you selling them? That's not what I said. So what I said was that I didn't think synthetic artisan brushes are worth the cost, not natural. So I'm just going to try my best, and it's going to be quick because I feel rotten. Here's two brushes. So this brush here is an artisan synthetic brush. This brush here is my white gold synthetic brush. This artisan brush retails for £78, and this is my white gold that retails for 15. Now, for me, when it comes to synthetic artisan brushes, it's not that they're not made well, they're made beautifully, obviously, but the fibers, the synthetic fibers, do not cost anywhere near the same amount as a natural hairbrush, but you're being charged the same price as if it was an artisan natural hairbrush. That I have a massive problem with. So here is my F1 brush, which is a natural artisan brush with natural hair. Now, a natural artisan brush, there are many factors that go involved into making it, such as where the hair came from, how it was sourced, was the animal killed for its hair? These are very important things that affect cost. And also with artisan brushes, the natural hair is never ever cut. That's why it's so silky soft. But when it comes to synthetic fibers don't cost anywhere near the same amount, yet you're being charged that same amount as if it was a natural hairbrush. If you look as well at some of the bigger companies, MAC Cosmetics or Tom Ford is a really good example. They had some amazing brushes, particularly Tom Ford. Now, Tom Ford's brushes originally were natural hairbrushes that were artisan made. I know the factory because I made stuff there too. And everybody loved those brushes. But when they went synthetic, nobody that I see raves about those brushes anymore because they didn't adjust the price point. That's the issue. You can't charge £120 for a powder brush. You can, but nobody's going to buy it. But if you're charging £120 for a powder brush, but it's synthetic, people have a problem with it. I have a problem with it. A lot of people do because they don't see the value in it, because people instinctively know there's something off here. You look at MAC and some of their amazing eye brushes they had. The minute they went synthetic, the reviews went down, not because the brush was terrible, but because they didn't adjust the price point, because you're still being charged the exact same amount as if it was a natural handmade artisan brush. So I hope that's cleared it up for you, because I'm trying my best, but even I, get confused. So white gold, £15, synthetic fiber, ultra soft. Artisan handmade brush, beautiful, gorgeous, £78 retail for a synthetic brush. That's all I was trying to do with this collection, was just take the price point out. That was it. Just wanted to get rid of that high price point for synthetic brushes, because I knew I could make really good synthetic brushes that did not cost the earth, and that was it. The final thing, I never assume I get new followers. Does that make sense? I only ever think I've got the ones I started with. So there's still a lot of people asking where to buy them. So in the US, you've got two options currently. You've got Beautylish or you've got Amazon.com. Now here in the UK, you've got waynegoss.co.uk and you've got Debenhams. Now I'm hoping by the end of this week, and this video will go live on Tuesday, today, I'm hoping by the end of the week that worldwide shipping will be turned on, which means we can ship to all the other countries for everybody else that cannot currently get them or is struggling to. I don't know if Amazon.com will ship to Canada. I think they do, but I'm not sure. If not, worldwide shipping is being turned on. So there you go. I hope that makes it clear. I've got a lot of artisan natural hairbrushes and I've got a ton that's coming later in the year. And there's one brand new set that you've never seen anything like it. It is quite literally like you're painting on your skin in watercolor. Never before seen lengths, and the manipulation of the hair is just the most exquisite thing. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And there is a ton also of affordable synthetic brushes coming, so you can pick and choose depending on your budget and your preference for synthetic or natural hair. There you go. Right, I'm going to go and take some painkillers and lie down and go and speak to somebody about whatever's going on with why I feel horrific. See you next time. Bye bye.